Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are happy at your home. Yes, that's great. Kids, hope you all are washing your hands frequently. Yes or no? Yes, I know that. Good. Kids, all of you eat healthy food every day, okay? Yes, I know you want to eat junk food. So, lots of healthy food and little junk food you can eat, okay? So kids, today we are going to learn about a new letter. But before that, I will tell you a story and we will do lots of fun. So kids, now listen the story very carefully. Now it's story time.
It was a rainy morning. Chinu wanted to go outside the house. So he needed an umbrella. He went upstairs to his room. He looked everywhere, even under the bed. It was not there. So he became upset and sad. Then his uncle came there and asked him, "What happened, Chinu? Why are you looking so sad?" Chinu said that he couldn't find his umbrella. Then uncle told him, "Oh dear, don't be upset. I will give you my favorite umbrella and I will tell you an interesting and funny story with my umbrella." Do you know, Chino? One day I went to market to buy a beautiful urn. On the way, I saw children going to the school in their school uniform. And then I saw dark clouds up in the sky. After a while, suddenly it started raining heavily. So I opened my colorful umbrella. On the way, I saw a beautiful poster of an unicorn. And then, do you know, Chino, what happened? I slipped in the water and fell upside down. And I got hurt and shouted, "Ah!" After listening this story and knowing about this incident, Chinu started laughing and he started to sing a song. Ah, ah, up go umbrellas, ah, ah, up go umbrellas, ah, ah, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Ah, ah, up go umbrellas, ah, ah, up go umbrellas, ah, ah, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain.
So kids, hope you have enjoyed the story. Now tell me, have you noticed in this story most of the words start with same sound? Sound. And most of the words start with same letter. Begins with same letter. Like uncle, urn, umbrella, up, unicorn. All these words begins with same letter. And the letter is U. This is capital letter U. This is capital letter U. And U makes two sounds. Umbrella, unicorn. So you can make two sounds. Okay? This is capital letter U. U is for umbrella. U is for urn. U is for unicorn. Umbrella, earn, unicorn. So kids, this is capital letter U. So now all of you recall these U-lettered words with ma'am. Just repeat after ma'am. Okay? So let's have a look.
Look kids, I have lot of pictures and all the words start with the letter U. U is for umbrella. U is for urn. U is for unicorn. Look at this picture kids. Unicorn. It's a unicorn. It just look like a white horse. Just like a white horse. And it has a horn on its head. Look at this. Yes. And do you know we can find this as a character in fairy tales. Okay? So U is for unicorn. U is for a umbrella. U is for a urn. U is for unicorn.
So kids, now it's time for fun. And today's fun activity is freehand drawing. Today we are going to draw an umbrella. U is for umbrella. Yes, I know you all can draw better than me. So kids, all of you draw an umbrella and enjoy this fun activity. Okay? Are you ready? Yes? Okay, then let's move for the activity.
So for today's fun activity, freehand drawing umbrella, we need a paper, pencil, eraser and crayon colors to fill that or color that umbrella. Okay? U is for umbrella. So kids, now we are going to draw an umbrella. Okay? So let's start. So kids, if you want to draw an umbrella, first you have to write the letter D. Capital letter D. So for that, make a standing line from top to down. Big size. Okay? Now again go on top and make a curve and join at the bottom. Okay? This is capital letter D. Now move your page or turn your page like this. Now the next step 2. Now from the center or from the middle, you have to draw 2 standing line from top to down. So draw 2 standing line from top to down. Very good kids. Now the third step. Step 3. Now from here we have to write another letter and the letter is J. Capital letter J. For that, first make a slipping line from this point. Make a standing line. Turn to your left. Lift your pencil little up. Okay? Now again from this point make the same, draw the same. Now we have to join these 2 lines like this. So look at this kids. is just look like the letter J, isn't it? Yes. So, for an umbrella, we need a letter D and J. Okay, now kids, using eraser, erase this line. But do it very slowly. You can take help from your parents. Okay? Now, from this point, make small curve like this. And it's done. Now, make lines and join here. Okay? Or you can start from here. Okay? Now make small circles. Very small circles. Okay? And it's done. Our umbrella is ready. So kids, using the letter D and J, we can make an umbrella. Now it's time for coloring. So using your crayon color, color this umbrella. Okay? You can color it like this or you can use any other color. Okay? So kids, this is capital letter U and U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. So kids, try it at your home and share your beautiful activity pics with me. Okay? That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.